Form is temporary, but class is permanent. Lionel Messi still balling out of his skin in big 2025. I'm not surprised भाई. Messi free kick मारते इतनी प्यारी. Man of the match. Wins it for Inter Milan. Inter Miami against Porto. Messi is really just sitting in Miami, spending the last few years of his career enjoying life, and he could still be still be bossing Europe. It's a shame, but you have to rate it in a way too. The quality is still ridiculous. Class is permanent भाई. इतने बंदे आए इसके तुम stats देखो यार. 68 free kick goals by Leo Messi. We just need one more. Come on भाई. Just last week people were saying this guy was done, this guy was thrashed, this guy was washed. भाई free kick किसने आके मारी है? Is this AI? Is this ChatGPT? भाई Messi नहीं मारी है ना? Come on relax भाइयों. भाई we can't keep doing this हर हफ्ते कि रोनाल्डो डन हो गया, फिर रोनाल्डो के कोई ट्रॉफी जीत जाएगा, रोनाल्डो वापस आ गया, मेसी एक हफ्ता खराब खेलेगा, मेसी डन है, फिर मेसी आके ये कर देगा. भाई स्टॉप डूइंग इट भाई. कम ऑन, दिस इज डिफरेंट लेवल भाई, दिस इज डिफरेंट ग्रेवी, दिस इज क्लास, परमानेंट क्लास भाई. कम ऑन. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स भाई लमीन यमाल in Brazil with Neymar Jr. I don't even know how to feel about this, bhai. Again, bhai, it would be parasocial of me, it would be weird of me to, not like this. Bhai, Lamine is a grown, मतलब जितने साल का भी है, not a grown man, but he can make his own conscious decisions. And Neymar is a grown man. Again, bhai, मैं क्या ही बोलूँ इस बारे में. Lot of this. Neymar and Lamine are enjoying holidays in Brazil. Good for them, I guess. I just hope they are training. I just hope they are helping Lamine be a better player, have a better mindset. Lamine and Neymar playing together. पता नहीं क्या खेल रहे हैं भाई. खो-खो खेल रहे हैं, कबड्डी खेल रहे हैं. It looks like something भाई. Some kind of Brazilian, पता नहीं जो भी है भाई. I don't even know. Lamine और Neymar basketball भी खेल रहे हैं. Good for them, I guess. Lamine Yamal and Neymar are hanging out in a car. Okay, bhai, great news day, bhai, great news day. Lamine Yamal even used Neymar ka hair, Neymar ka barber. This is top of the shelf news, bhai. This is just groundbreaking stuff in the middle of transfer season. You know what? I think मैं क्या ही बोलूँ यार. Lamine can make his own decisions, I guess. भाई हमने just कल देखा he is dating a 30-year-old woman. Compared to that, this is, I would say, much better because that was just weird and criminal in a lot of countries. But this is not criminal. This is just to each their own. I think Lamine, we all know Lamine is a big fan of Neymar. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है eventually, I have no idea. But whatever, I don't care. भाई ये यार अब ये एक और है क्या. I think every year I will improve. I will gain experience in my game because then my body will grow and change. Good quote, I guess. Whatever. Up. We are now in crucial stage of Nico Williams case. By thank God. By Bayern ने एक और bid मारी, but it was rejected. Nico Williams and वो Barca have close on personal terms. I think personal terms are agreed, and now they're discussing 6-year deal with Barcelona. Just the transfer fees is the main thing. That's amazing, bhai. That's all we want. अगर Bayern इस केस में नहीं and Barca the only main ones and personal terms agreed है, it is so close being done, bhai. पर पैसे की दिक्कत, 1:1 की दिक्कत, हराम खोर टेबस की दिक्कत. There's a lot of issues still around, but we have to keep going for Nico Williams because मैंने देखा कि Rafael Leo and Bayern are close to getting a deal done too. अगर Bayern नहीं है यहाँ पे Nico Williams का पर्सनल से agreed है, it's very close to getting done with Barcelona. But हराम को टेबस and पैसे की दिक्कत is a very real thing in this deal. But let's see भाई, let's see. This is new breaking news भाई. Barca made contact to be informed on Rooney, जो भी नाम है वाला, deal conditions. Direct talks took place. Barca monitored the Swedish talent after Porto already sent a bid. 2 weeks ago, separate option for Nico and his team. So मैंने इसके पहले comments देखो. Deco, you are mad. Barca finally is a serious institution. Also being monitored by Tottenham. कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है भाई. ये हो गया भाई. अब ये देखो. इसके स्टैट्स आर नॉट दैट इम्प्रेसिव. 5 मैच 0 गोल्स 0 असिस्ट, 23 में 7. So he's not a rookie, by very obviously. He's played in Champions League before as well. So he's not a rookie. 19 साल के एज में इतने impressive stats नहीं है. So he would be a backup right winger. He's a right winger by the way. इसको मैंने Wikipedia देखा था. He's a right winger. Born 15 नवंबर 2005. इसकी एज 19 साल की होगी ना, मतलब not a rookie player, but again stats are not that impressive. If he comes as a backup player, who knows भाई, who knows. 15 में 2, 27 में 3, 34 में 10. Not those impressive stats does not tell you that he is bound for greatness stats के थ्रू. एक से लमीन के कितने नंबर है? लमीन यमाल इमेज पे आ गया. लमीन के 9 and 13. But again we are comparing a main starting player like Lamine Yamal to a rookie kid. इसका नाम क्या है? Rooney Bardghji. If he's quarter of a player what Wayne Rooney was now, I would be very happy because we would get this player as a backup winger and that's cool भाई. अब हमारा लाइनअप होता है Rafinha starting, Nico Williams starting, Lamine starting and I think that was it ना. Lewandowski पता नहीं कहाँ पे formation shape के अंदर, I don't even know भाई. But Rafinha, Nico Williams, Lamine Yamal, Ferran Torres, Lewandowski are 5 options. So we still need backup players भाई. We still need backup wingers. बिकॉज लास्ट से हमको दिक्कत आई थी. अगर हम फाती भैया को धक्का लगाने हैं फाइनली, वी नीड बैकअप प्लेयर्स भाई. इफ यू ब्रिंग दिस किड इन एंड इफ इज गुड एज अ बैकअप प्लेयर ना, एंड इफ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली इफ फ्लिक ट्रस्ट हिम, दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग भाई. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई केयर अबाउट. अगर फ्लिक इसको ट्रस्ट करते हैं ना, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स बिकॉज आई रेट हांसी फ्लिक की टैलेंट स्काउटिंग. आई रेट हांसी फ्लिक की एबिलिटी टू टर्न अ एवरेज प्लेयर इनटू वर्ल्ड क्लास और जस्ट अ बेटर प्लेयर. वी हैव सीन इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. सो ओल्मो हो गया, फरान टोरेस हो गया, फर्मिन लोपेज हो गया, रफीनिया हो गया, लेवेंडोस्की, फरान, लमीन. वी हैव 7 players for 4 positions, but we still need a backup winger. And this guy, if that's the last option, if that's the last resort, और अगर सस्ते में आता है ना, I'm cool with it भाई, I'm cool with it. इसके stats हमने देख लिए, इसके skills, let's see some skills, just a little bit. ये क्या है? ये फ्री किक देते बस. गुड फ्री किक, दैट्स ऑल. आई यू नो व्हाट, आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस भाई. इसके कमेंट्स देखो एक बार. व्हाट इज बारसा कुकिंग? माय क्लब इज डूइंग वंडर्स. माई सेल्फ शॉक्ड. इसलिए देखते हैं. हिज पोजीशन इज ही गुड? कैन ही प्ले वेल? राइट विंगर, लेफ्ट फुटेड. एनीवन हु स्टडीज फुटबॉल मैनेजर विल नो एंड हैव साइंड दिस गाय once in their whole career. Let me sign him and see. Right wing, left-footed, young, high potential, unproven in big divisions. So I cannot go around saying he's incredible or not. Exactly, bhai. Cannot say if he's incredible or not. Cannot say if he is a solution to all our problems. Because as a backup player, we need a backup player. अगर नीको स्टार्ट करता है, रफीना स्टार्ट करता है, अगर लमीन स्टार्ट करता है ना, we need backup wingers to those, bhai. Because last season against Inter Milan, eventually it cost us because रफीना की फॉर्म डिप कर गई थी. अगर रफीनिया पूरे साल में उसको थोड़ा हम रेस्ट देते ना, एंड टूवर्ड्स द एंड अगर वी वुड हैव सर्व्ड रफीनिया आउट just before the Inter Milan match, then he could have been more fresh. We don't know why, we would never know. But now we have to know why. We have to be much more careful, much more cautious, much more precise, much more smarter in what players we get by. Player young है, stats rookie है, but does not matter by. We don't care. Just get this done. अगर बारसा एंड डेको ने प्रोफाइल कर रहा है, इस प्लेयर को प्रोफाइल कर रहा है, आई एम कूल भाई, आई एम कूल. 19 साल का प्लेयर, यंग, डेनिश लीग, कोपेनहेगन, those things are not that impressive. Stats again are not that impressive. Stats देख लेना. सुपर लीगा कोपेनहेगन 5 मैच 0 गोल्स, 23 में 7. अगेन नॉट अ रूकी भाई, नॉट अ रूकी प्लेयर. ये नहीं है कि इसने फुटबॉल खेलना स्टार्ट करा है. डेट जो है 2021, so playing football for 4 years. But again, I can't judge a profile, can't judge a person or player by the cover, bhai. Can't do that. Can't judge a book by its cover. Can't do that. We would have to see, bhai. We would have to wait and see. I think Nico Williams gets done. I think ये player जो भी था, यही था ना, ये रहा. Rooney, Bardghji. एक दिन पहले आया था कि we are targeting a CB as well. So a lot of deals getting done for Barcelona, and apparently Xavi Alonso got denied a midfielder by Real Madrid and Perez. भाई रियाल में क्या ही होएगा, आई डोंट इवन नो भाई. अगर पेरेस एंड रियाल हैव स्टिल नॉट लर्न देयर लेसन ना एंड दे स्टिल रिजेक्टिंग देयर मैचेस इन गेटिंग प्लेयर्स दैट दे नीड, इट जीजीज भाई, इट इज जीजीज. व्हाटएवर भाई, आई डोंट केयर. बट अगेन भाई, लियो मेसी गोट, नेमा एंड लमीन प्लेइंग टुगेदर. Nico Williams is getting done. We are happy भाई. And of course हम एक young rookie signing, rookie तो नहीं, young winger को sign करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बैकअप को. Great things भाई. Great day. GG's.